Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. In this video we show you the results of our new development, Suzuki Swift Japanese to English dash conversion. All menus and warning messages in its color instrument cluster were in Japanese, and there were no user-accessible way to change it to English. We managed to reprogram it. After conversion, any warning messages will now pop up in English. Instrument cluster now displays various stats like fuel consumption in English. After reprogramming, menu has selection of kilometers per liter or liter per 100 kilometers. Apart from English, various other languages can be selected. Thank you for watching.